Welcome to Lemon and Dudu, Play and Learn YouTube channel.
Quiz. Fruit or vegetable? Tomato is a fruit or a vegetable? Tomato is a fruit. Broccoli is a fruit or a vegetable? Broccoli is a vegetable. Olive is a fruit or a vegetable? Olive is a fruit. Onion is a fruit or a vegetable? Onion is a vegetable. Beetroot is a fruit or a vegetable? Beetroot is a vegetable. Pumpkin is a fruit or a vegetable? Pumpkin is a fruit. Asparagus is a fruit or a vegetable? Asparagus is a vegetable. Avocado is a fruit or a vegetable? Avocado is a fruit. Cabbage is a fruit or a vegetable? Cabbage is a vegetable. Cucumber is a fruit or a vegetable? Cucumber is a fruit? Bell pepper is a fruit or a vegetable? Bell pepper is a fruit! Carrot is a fruit or a vegetable? Carrot is a vegetable. Sweet potato is a fruit or a vegetable? Sweet potato is a vegetable.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.